Welcome to the stock workout where we flex on the market to make gains. This video is going to be about Biolase, ticker symbol BIOL. Now if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so I can keep bringing you more content and put the notifications on so you can get an update of every video that I put out. If you'd watched my previous videos, you would have seen that we hit a home run with Novavax, and we'd also seen an increase in the stock price of NMTR. So join the journey and subscribe to the channel. A little bit of background about this company. Biolase develops, manufactures, markets and sells laser systems for dental practitioners and their patients in the United States and internationally. Its dental laser system allows dentists to perform a range of minimally invasive dental procedures on patients. Now the company offers water-lase all-tissue dental laser systems for cutting soft and hard tissues. It also manufactures and sells consumable products and accessories for its laser systems, as well as markets flexible fibers and handpieces and teeth whitening gel kits. The company sells its products through its field sales force and distributor network. Now this is a company that's been around since 1984 and is headquartered in California. What's interesting about this company is that they recently announced an agreement with the Dental Care Alliance, one of the largest dental support organizations in the United States, with more than 330 affiliated practices in 20 states. Now this was to expand its laser adoption and hands-on training programs in targeted areas. The company expects the agreement to lead to a rollout across all DCA offices in 2021. That is potential exposure to 330 practices. Now revenue is expected to grow at 37.1% per year. Total revenue for the fourth quarter of 2020 is expected to grow by 31%. Now this is expected to exceed the prior year's fourth quarter despite COVID-19 being present. 78% of its sales are expected to come from new users, which is a positive trend, and 40% of sales are expected to come from specialists, and that's a significant increase compared to prior periods. And also 4 different DSOs acquired Biolase technology in the fourth quarter. Now you need to remember, with the shutdowns taking place across the whole of the US and the rest of the world, this business would definitely have been affected. They wouldn't have been able to continue making sales and supply the practices with the technology and the equipment. So despite this, the growth that they've achieved is actually pretty amazing. Now this company, it has quite a few institutional investors, including Armistice Capital LLC, Vanguard and BlackRock. They all hold shares in Biolase. Now if we take a look at analyst ratings, we can see on the 21st of January 2021, Maxim Group boosted the price target from $1 to $2. Now other analysts have also had their ratings set at $3 and $2, but the most recent one is from Maxim Group on the 26th of January 2021. That provides an upside of nearly 100%. You're talking 80, 90, 100%. Now previously, looking on the chart, we saw a run up from around this range of 47 all the way to a high of around, if I just move that out of the way, around 136. And then since then it was on a decline. It came back down to 85 and it has been steadily climbing up again until it hit a peak once again of around 155, and we saw it retrace again. So I've drawn a Fibonacci retracement, and from this previous peak on the 26th of Jan, we saw the price come back down and consolidate and hover around the $1.02 mark. Since then, we've seen the price increase and break through the resistance and close today above $1.13. Now, this is where the resistance and support lies. So currently it broke that resistance and it closed at $1.15. And this same level is going to act like the support for the next run. The next resistance lies at the $1.22 mark, so that's something to look out for. Remember to set your stop losses on this one at just under $1.13. I'd set my stop loss at $1.13 just to prevent a breakdown of price once again, and the next resistance is at $1.22. We could also analyze this by saying that it's just broken out of a bullish flag formation, this being the flagpole, this being the consolidation of price, and now we've broken out of that trend. So there could be a lot of upswing for this. Biolase are releasing their Q4 2020 results in March, so that could act like a catalyst to push up the price further, so that's something to keep an eye out for as well. One thing to also take note of is the fact that the volume today has been significantly lower than its average 10-day volume. If we do see that volume spike above the average 10-day volume, then that's going to cause a lot of volatility in the price and most likely an upswing in the price. Overall, we are in bullish territory. We've broken through the bullish flag formation, and the EMA 21 EMA has crossed over the 50 moving average and the 100 moving average. If you appreciate that, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel so I can keep bringing you more content, and I'll see you on the next one.